Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of noodle making. Ever wondered how those delicious strands of noodles make their way from the factory to your plate? Let's find out. Here we are at one of the largest noodle manufacturing factories in the country. Let's step inside and explore the journey of a noodle. Our journey begins here, at the heart of the factory. This is where the magic happens. From raw ingredients to the finished product, we'll see it all. First, let's take a look at the primary ingredient, flour. High-quality wheat flour is the foundation of most noodles. Here, we see workers carefully opening bags of flour and pouring them into large mixing machines. These industrial mixers can handle hundreds of pounds of flour at a time. Water is added to the flour, and the mixing begins. The mixers use powerful blades to blend the flour and water into a consistent dough. This process ensures that the dough has the perfect texture for noodle making. The dough is mixed for several minutes until it reaches the right consistency. Once it's ready, it moves on to the next stage. The mixed dough is then transferred to rolling machines. These machines flatten the dough into thin sheets, ready for cutting. Here, we see the dough being pressed and rolled. The thickness of the dough can be adjusted based on the type of noodle being produced. Once the dough is rolled out, it passes through cutting blades. These blades slice the dough into thin strips, forming the noodles. Freshly cut noodles are now ready for the next step in the process. The noodles are then placed on steaming racks. Steaming helps to cook the noodles partially, giving them the right texture and flavor. Steam is circulated through these racks, cooking the noodles to perfection. After steaming, the noodles move on to the drying stage. In this room, the noodles are carefully dried to remove excess moisture. This step is crucial for preserving the noodles and extending their shelf life. The drying process can take several hours, depending on the type of noodle being produced. Once dried, the noodles are ready for packaging. They are transported on conveyor belts to the packaging area. These machines are designed to package noodles quickly and efficiently. Each packet is sealed to maintain freshness. Quality control is a critical part of the process. Here, workers inspect the noodles to ensure they meet the highest standards. Every batch is checked for consistency, texture, and flavor. This ensures that only the best noodles make it to the market. Finally, the packaged noodles are loaded onto trucks and distributed to stores around the world. From the factory to your kitchen, the journey of a noodle is a fascinating blend of tradition and technology. And there you have it, the amazing process of noodle making. Next time you enjoy a bowl of noodles, you'll know just how much care and effort goes into every strand. Thanks for joining us on this behind-the-scenes tour. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.